So in this class of risk and derivative, we'll do the 2019 question paper of 10 marks. So if you see this problem is about decision tree. So there's a person called Mr. Patel. He has to decide whether or not to drill a well in his farm. Okay. So you know that for farming purpose, for irrigation, you need water. Water is the constituent of life. So around 70% of your body is made of water. So it doesn't matter we are plant or animal, we need water. And we are heterotrophs, we are dependent on plant for food. Plant have to manufacture their own food by the process called photosynthesis. And in the case of photosynthesis, you know that carbon dioxide and water are absorbed in presence of sunlight, which will make the food for the plant called glucose. So an ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So here for all that purpose, Mr. Patel need what? Mr. Patel need to construct or need to drill well for his farm. Okay, because he need water for the farming purpose, for the irrigation purpose, he need water. Okay, so his question was that Mr. Patel was wondering whether or not he should drill a well in his farm or not. Okay, so he's thinking should he drill or not. So in his village, around 40% of well drilled were successful at 250 feet of height. So it is given that anyone who do drilling, okay, and there's a chance that they'll get 40% success if they'll drill up to 250 feet. So minimum you need to drill is 250 feet of depth. So if you do that drilling of 250 feet of depth, you will get the water. And as per the historical data present with Mr. Patel, as per that logic, Mr. Patel have understood that in order to get the water for the irrigation purpose, he have to drill up to 250 feet. Okay, and then there's a chance, there's a 40% chance that he may get the water. So some of the farmer who did not get the water at 250 feet drill further up to 300 feet. So in case, imagine if you do not get the water up to 250 feet, then probably again you need to drill it further, probably till 300 feet. But only 10% stuck water at 300 feet. Yeah, I believe you understand if you have studied basic science in your schooling, you can easily understand there's something called water table, water logging problems, all that. So probably if you're not getting water up to 250 feet, okay, so it's better you don't drill it further because getting water now the chance will be very less. Whatever you lost money in drilling and all that, that risk you have to bear with yourself because if you go further up to again 50 feet further, probably there's only 10% chance that you may get the water. So you can understand, guys. So for getting water at 300 feet would be 40% into 10%. So 10% of 40 is 4%. So only 4% chance is there that you get the water at 300 feet. Okay, to get the water at 200 feet is 40%. Basic probability, I'm just using it. Clear, no? So now it is given that the cost of drilling 60 rupees per foot. So whenever you are doing drilling, the drilling cannot become free of cost. When you're doing drilling, you need to pay cost. And the cost is given that per feet you need to pay 60 rupees. So imagine, so more you drill, more money you need to pay. Okay, so that is given to you. Okay, everyone. So here the cost of drilling is given to you, and Mr. Patel estimated that he would pay 20,000 rupees during 5 year period in the present value term if he continue to buy water from the neighbor rather than to go to well. So you can understand drilling is not very easy affair. There is a chance that you may get the water also, and there is high chance that you may not get the water. If imagine if things does not go up to the way how you expected, and you did drilling and you paid money, because per feet you need to pay 60 rupees, and maybe you did not get water neither at 250 feet, neither at 300 feet. So then here your loss will be double. You need to pay 20,000 rupees altogether, because then you cannot have water of yours. So you need to buy water, and plus the cost of drilling, which you already lost and you got nothing. You're getting me. So if you simply buy water, your total cost would be 20,000 rupees per year. So 20,000 total for the 5 year time period, as per Mr. Patel. But if you go for drilling, if you get water, then it's well and good. If he does not get the water, then probably his cost will get double. So this gives you the example of leverage. So you remember, you studied in physics, you studied in finance, the concept of leverage. Here risk is there. So what should Mr. Patel should do? So that is the question. So here, so here as per this problem, what Mr. Patel should do. So Mr. Patel, what he can do, he can do, Mr. Patel can, what he can drill, he can drill up to 250 feet, or no drilling, or he can no drill. You don't drill. So if you don't drill, then he need to pay an economic value of 20,000 rupees. Correct, no? So if you drill up to 250 feet, he need to pay a cost. Cost is per feet 60 rupees or 50 rupees. 60 rupees, 60 into 250. 250 into 60. 25 sixa is 150, then double zero. 15,000 rupees. So he can drill up to 250 feet. For that, he need to pay 15,000 rupees. That is the cost he need to pay. Okay, because per feet he need to pay 60 rupees. And imagine if he get the water. Imagine if he get the water. What can happen? Two things can happen here, guys. Two things can happen here, guys. If you drill up to 250 feet, he can get the water. Water chemical formula H2O. Can I write now? And you do not get the water. You do not get the water. So if we get the water, guys, then the economic value for that would be 20,000 rupees. Means how 20,000 is the economic value, because he saved 20,000 rupees. No, I hope you understand it. The cost here is 15,000. So I hope you understanding. This cost is always would be negative. And if you do not get the water, guys, then what can happen? So if you do not get the water here, two things he can do. If you do not get the water, then no more drilling. No drilling. So if you do not drill further, if you do not drill further, then he need to pay an economic value of 20,000 rupees. You have to buy water from the neighbor. Okay. And so he get water, probability is given. No? He get the water. Probability here is 40%. And do not get the water, the probability would be 60%. You're getting right. And if you do not get the water, so no more drilling. And so in here, if you go for drilling, then he need to pay additional cost, no? Per feet 60 rupees, no? So he need to pay an economic value. The cost is how much? Cost of how much? 50, 50, no, 60, no, 60 into additional 50 feet, 60 into 50. That would be 3,000 rupees. He need to put 3,000 rupees. Okay, he need to put 3,000 rupees. So here also two things can happen. That he get the water, get the water, he get the water. So if you get the water means the probability of getting water is how much? 40% and 10% only, right? Only 10% is the probability. 10% is the probability. The economic value here would be you could save 20,000 rupees. And if you do not get water, then the economic value would be he has to spend now 20,000 rupees to buy water. Probability of this is 0.9. Clear everyone? So what should you do? If you do not drill at all, he just need to spend 20,000 rupees, his work is done. No drilling, economic value is 20,000 rupees and your work will be done. Okay, so if you go for drilling, he has two options. He has two options. So no drilling, economic value. So no economic value. So no drilling. So the economic value you pay 20,000 rupees. So if we go for drilling, economic value in case if Mr. Patel go for drilling, in case if Mr. Patel go for drilling, Mr. Patel only name is given. Mr. Patel go for drilling. So if you see here, the economic value what you are getting here, this is really what this economic value if you calculate here, this is 10% of 20,000. So that would be 2,000, right? 10% of 20,000, this would be 2,000. And then 90% of 20,000. 90% of 2,000, 20,000. 90% of 20,000 will be 18,000. That will be minus 16,000. So your economic value is minus 16,000. That is your economic value here. Clear everyone? So here again he's putting 3,000 rupees. So here your economic value of this would be 3,000 plus 16,000. This would be 19,000. Okay. And the economic value of this no more drilling is 20,000 rupees. So if you do not get the water, no more drilling and you have to pay 20,000. If we do drilling further, so the economic value of that is 19,000. So you can understand this. cost is 3,000, 3,000 plus 16,000, that is 19,000 is the cost. Here the cost uh, is 20,000. Did they give any probability of drilling and not drilling? They have not given, right? If you do not get the water, then the probability of that is 60%. The here the economic value 20,000, 40% of that. So the economic value of this is 40% of 20,000. 20,000, 10% would be 2,000. So this would be 8,000. This would be 8,000. Economic value is 8,000. If you do not get the water, what you can do? So if you do not get the water, the economic value of this is 19,000 and 20,000. This would be 39,000. So this is 39,000. If you drill further, he's getting economic value of 90,000. If you do not drill, you have to lose 20,000 rupees. So the 60% of this is how much? 60% of this is how much? 60% of this 39,000 39 6 54 5 carry 18 plus 5 23 2 3 4 2 3 4 23,000 23400 23,400. That is the economic value what you get for this. This is 8,000. So this is 8,000 minus 23,400. So what is the economic value you're getting here? So the economic value you are getting here is 8,000 minus 23,400. So how much you'll get? 8,000 minus 23,400. So 23,400 minus 8,000. So this is 15,400. So you are getting is negative of minus 15,400 rupees. Negative of minus 15,400 rupees. And again, you need to put 15,000, right? For the drilling up to 250 feet. So the total economic value, if you do drilling, you are getting is minus 30,400. Do drilling, your net economic value you're getting is minus 30,400. So if Mr. Patel go for drilling, then economic value is around means in either you do drilling or you don't do drilling, you need to pay cost. Here your cost is coming around 30,400. 30,400. So where you are getting less cost, that is if you don't do drilling. So my suggestion would be if Mr. Patel, instead of taking risk on drilling, if he simply do not engage in drilling activity and simply if he continue to borrow water from the neighboring village and thereby his cost remains stagnant as 20,000. While if he take a chance of exploring water, then he's undertaking lot of risk. Clear everyone? Anyone any doubt? So guys, this much we'll do in today class. Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? So thank you everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow.